Let's begin by finding a comfortable position to sit or lie down where you can completely relax without interruption. Gently close your eyes and focus on your natural breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the cool air to fill your chest and spread throughout your body. Hold the breath for a moment, feeling the vitality and renewal in every cell. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, letting all worries, tension, and fatigue dissipate with each breath. Repeat this process several times until you feel a sense of peace start to spread within you. Now, I want you to imagine a place where you feel completely safe and at peace. It could be a beach with the gentle sound of waves, a green forest with birds singing, or a secret garden that belongs only to you. This is your sacred space, where there is no pressure, only absolute relaxation. Let your mind explore freely and take in the complete tranquility of this place. In this space, imagine a warm light starting to form at the center of your chest. This light represents your inner power, a deep, latent source of energy. At first, it may be just a small spark, but with each breath, it grows stronger and more radiant. Feel the warmth and energy spreading from your chest, flowing through your shoulders, down your arms, and continuing along your body to your fingers and toes. Let this light envelop you, bringing you into a state of balance and deep connection with yourself. As the warm light from your chest continues to expand, bringing peace and strength, it is time to reinforce your confidence and positive beliefs. Breathe gently and repeat these powerful affirmations with me. I am strong. I am worthy of all the good in life. My inner power guides and protects me. Let each word sink into your body and mind, not just as phrases, but as an undeniable truth about who you are. In this state, you may notice the limiting beliefs that once held you back. Perhaps thoughts like, I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve success, come to mind. Take a moment to observe them, without judgment, just acknowledging their presence. Remember, these thoughts are simply repeated memories and experiences, not your true essence. Now, imagine releasing these limiting beliefs. Replace them with positive and truthful thoughts, such as, I have the ability to achieve anything I desire, and I deserve happiness and success. Feel the shift in your body as these new beliefs take root, like seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. As you continue repeating these affirmations, a sense of confidence and strength gradually spreads throughout your body. Each cell absorbs the truth that you are worthy of the best life has to offer, and that you have the power to transform your reality to live a fulfilling and meaningful life. As you feel the positive energy flowing throughout your body, it's time to anchor this experience into reality through a simple gesture. Slowly bring your attention to your hands and imagine them enveloped in the light and energy you just activated. Now, gently press your thumb and index finger together, forming a circle. As you make this gesture, remind yourself, this is my power anchor. Feel the warm energy in your hands, a reminder of all the positive sensations and inner strength you've experienced. Whenever you need to reconnect with your inner confidence and peace, simply make this gesture and recall the moment you dedicated to yourself today. This will become a powerful tool for you to quickly regain balance and energy in your daily life. Now, gently bring your mind back to the present. Take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs and open your chest. Begin to notice the presence of your surroundings, the small sounds, and the contact of your body with the surface beneath you. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, holding on to that feeling of peace and strength. Thank you for allowing yourself this valuable time to connect and discover your inner power. Remember that this energy and strength are always within you. Each day, remind yourself of your infinite potential and continue to harness this power to live a complete, peaceful, and meaningful life.